Ano yun? Bakit may filter? Gusto ko walang filter. Anyways. Yan. Yun yung normal shape. Ayan. No filter, no filter. Yan. Now that's my real face. Tapos, ayan. Perfect! Looking kind of bloated right now. Why bloated? Dami kasing pagkain dito sa Pampanga. Alam mo yun, pag nagluluto yung mga pamilya dito sa Pampanga, parang pang 20 people, like that. And then they want me to be chubby. Which is not wrong. Now I'm filling up. I'm filling myself up. Thank you to my grandmother and my mother. They're like, mangan ka pa, Ken. Wayot kayo namong mangan. Eka mag-diet. Kasi daw, iba-burn ko lang naman pag magpa-perform. Ganun. Tama naman, tama. Jao, ikaw ba nag-choreo sa Champorado? Hindi ako yung nag-choreo sa Champorado. Si Coach Jim yung nag-choreo sa Champorado. Anyways, stay there. Jao, anong tawag sa hair color mo? Ano lang to, guys? Pink. Pero, nagmimix ako ng sarili kong kulay. Ooh, thank you for the heart. What hair color would you want to do next? Gusto ko na magpahinga. So, magba-black na ako. Gusto nyo ba akong mag-black? Red? Ay, ayoko mag-red. Dance class ulit sa Angeles. Yes, magda-dance class ako ulit, guys. Yung ituturo ko is push to start. We, naka-mute. Skincare na lang ako. Alam nyo ba, nung bata ako, ay hindi naman bata, pero nung medyo high school ako, meron, naglalagay ako ng foam dito. Tapos nagpa-practice ako mag-flip. Yes, flip. Sample. in this hour, magfa-flip. Next time. Anong gagawin ko? Anong gagawin ko? Anong gagawin ko right now? What to do in this hour? Address the incompetence of the government? Oh my God. Turuan mo kami magsalita ng Kapampangan. Oh, sige. O kaya, ay ne, magkapampangan ta na mong yan. Bawal magsalitang Tagalog. Magkapampangan ta mo. Jaw engineer ka ba? Galing mo kasi magpatayo. Oh my God. Magpatayo ng ano? You're being kind of malicious, right? Ay, bawal pala bawal mag-English, bawal mag-Tagalog. Dapat pala Kapampangan. Nanong tinik do kaya ka? Ika ne, nampanya biyon mo ken. Namburi mo ka ako Ja, wala kaming handa, ikaw lang. Ayan na naman. Nampanya biyon you ken. Ano ulit pinakamasarap na ulam? Ako, joke lang. No. Parang Korean pala Kapampangan. Oh, really now? Really now? Oh, really? Oh, ang tiny ko tignan when I do that. That's kind of weird. Weird. Eye cream time. Yeah. Okay. Done with the eye cream. Nasa Squid Game ka po ba? Yes, guys. Nasa Squid Game ako. Ako si player... Ako si player... 2, 3... Ako si player 251, guys. So, please watch our newest show, and that is Squid Games. It's out now on Netflix. Please support me. My role there is player 251. Sumasakit ulo ko sa Squid Game. Aww, that's so sad. Be careful. Don't die. Basta Kapampangan manyaman. Oh, yes. Thank you so much. Murit ka man. Yako murit. Okay. Please do the Lara and Daniela dance. I would love to do that. I really do would wanna do that dance. But who am I gonna do it with? Sabi ko kay Taneo, gawin na natin to. Pero, ayun, wala pa naman nangyayari. Anong gagawin ko? Magluluto na lang ba ako ng buldak? Damn. My hair isn't nice right now. I need to get a haircut. May bumubulong sa audio. Oh, gusto niyo yon? Gusto niyo yung may bumubulong sa audio? Gaw, 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 gaw. Isipin ko man ako magluluto ako ng buldak. Kakapasok. Oh. Bakit may warning? Wala naman akong ginagawang masama. I'm right here being innocent. Isn't that right? Can you vouch for my innocence? Hindi ko alam bakit may warning. Nandito lang naman ako. Being innocent. Not guilty. Yung sounds mo siguro. Tignan natin dito kung nare-restrict ako. Girl, you will get banned if you get restricted too many times. I got banned. Aww. 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 Di ka ma-restrict dito kahit magmura ka. Oh my gosh! Yay! I'm not gonna get restricted here. That's great. Let's try it out. Diba? Ang daming sounds. Mari-restrict kaya ako. Isang tumbling in this hour? You wanna make me do stuff? Anong gagawin ko dito sa Pampanga? Walang ganap dito sa Pampanga. I'm just rotting in bed. Oh my God. What is your pasabog this new year? Sasabog ako. Tsaka magpapasabog ako. Make your own event. Mag-rest ka kasi. Go clubbing. Ooh, saya! Parang nung nakaraan, nasa Eco Bar lang. Tama! Wow. Hi, Sue. Watch the lanterns, Rob. Ano yung Rob? Loved you during Paskuhan. Oh, thank you for loving me. Tulog na Jacob. Yes, tulog na si Jacob dito sa kwarto ko. Dito siya natulog sa kwarto ko. Jacob! 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 Okay, good night. Good night, Toge. Okay now. What do we do? What are we gonna do? What are we gonna do? What are we gonna do? How old is he? He's 11 years old. Anong gagawin ko? Kakain ng kimchi. Ang daming kimchi. So culturally proud of you, Joe. Oh, thank you. I'm feeling so culturally excellent right now. Thank you so much, P-Pop Awards, for making me feel culturally excellent. Thank you for validating us with that cultural powers in our cultural efforts. I'm feeling kind of cultural right now. Did you see that culture? Oh my gosh, P-Pop Awards, you're making me do so many things. You're making me feel so cultural. You make me want to drink a cultured... You make me want to drink a cultured milk drink. Word of the day, culturally. Oh, you want to talk about culture? Oh, you want to talk about culture? Culture in Japanese is bunka. Oh my gosh, tama ba ako dun? How to be cultural excellent like you. I'm not one to say how to be culturally excellent. Basta, you do you. You proceed with your passion. Ano kaya nandito sa ref? Sana meron cultured milk drink. Because I'm feeling kind of culturally excellent right now. Another scandal. Oh, this is a cultural scandal. So, may mosquito. Piercings tour. Okay. So, meron akong piercing dito. That's 1, 2, 3. Tapos meron din dito. Tapos 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yan. Hi. Dare. Sige nga, i-dare nyo ako. Wala, wag mo naman kami ilagay sa ref. Gusto nyo bang makakita ng corny action? Oh my gosh! Ang pangit ng hair. Don't mind the hair. Uy! Nandyan ka pala. Oh my gosh! I'm feeling kind of cultural right now. Meron bang cultured milk drink dito? Hala, wala. Oh. I'm so hungry. Ang lamig nak. Kakain ba ako? Chine-check ko kung anong pwede kong kunin dito sa ref. Wala kasing cultured milk drink eh. Kaya I'm becoming culturally sad right now. Ano bang pwedeng kainin? Culturally thirsty. Hi, Kuya Japs! Thank you so much. Kuya Javette. Sobrang culturally lamig naman ng cultural. Ang daming cultural. Parang ano lang, tongue twister. Gawa nga tayo ng tongue twister. In this culture, we wanna be culturally cultured because we need to be cultured to be culturally cultured. Wow! Diba? Gumawa tayo ng tongue twister. Cultured milk. Why are you culturally energetic? I don't know, because I'm culturally bored. I got nothing to do. Walang nangyayari dito sa akin sa Pampanga. Kain tulog lang, kain tulog. Pero syempre, most importantly, we have a culturally cultured family spirit time. Patingin ng tongue na twisted. May lamok. The tattoo is culturally... Oh, thank you. It's kind of giving culture. It makes you see the culture of this world. Kasi you need to learn about space. You need to be cultured about the universe. Jao, cultural. Stop it! Buong taon nag-work kaya di sanay walang ginagawa. That's true. Ngayon, hinahanap ko yung work. To work is to be... Anong gagawin? Hindi naman ako gutom. Busog ako. Pero gusto kong kumain. Buldak. Joke. Kanina pa ako naglalaro ng Wuthering Waves. Yun ang ginagawa ko, maglaro ng Wuthering Waves. I culturally love... I love you too, culturally. Binge ng Squid Games 2. Natapos ko na. One night lang, tapos na. Watch ka dandalan. Okay. Pwede. True. Pwede manood ng anime. Oh my gosh. Deserve ko ba buldak for the second time? Kasi yun yung kinain ko. Tapos katapos doon, kumain ako ng cake. Binigay sa akin ng mga barangay besties. Thank you so much, barangay besties. Binisit pa nila ako. Galing sila sa Manila. They visited me here. Dito sa Constancias. Thank you so much. Super sarap ng cake. Kinain ko yun lahat. Oh my God. Oh my God. I felt kind of culturally cultured because of it. Cultural people deserve a lot of food. Thanks. So, magbuldak na lang ba ako? Kahit na nagbuldak na ako. Deserve. Okay. Sige, pag-iisipan ko, siguro after 5 minutes. Doon ko i-confirm kung magbubuldak talaga ako. You in Rest How? Likod siya. Huh? Dito sa Constantia's Restaurant. Dito sa labas. So, thank you sa pag-visit sa amin, guys. Thank you so much for visiting mga Magiliw. I can vouch for my safety because I've been with those Magiliws for the longest time. Since day 1 or day 2 or day 3. Or in the middle of the... maybe day 100. Ganun. Nano yan? Natouch kang ref.
Nalihat yung pocket ko. Kasi
I think we should throw it away.
Bakit?
It might be infected.
May infected.
Infected with what?
COVID.
Oh my God.
Saan
Okay.
ka mag-Jollibee? Makamute.
Makamute ka. So, ito yung ano. Ito yung mga call ng kapatid ko.
What?
So random.
Mag-Jollibee tam?
Quiet now.
What?
Be quiet. Anyway, wala kayong naririnig kasi... You need to be cultured right now because if you're not cultured, then my career will go into ruins. Now, come on, careful now. Magbuldak na mo kaya? Magbuldak ka ba?
Kakabuldak ta.
Bisa kang gawang buldak para ka ako.
Ano eh?
Bakit? Bayaran da ka.
Yung mga nangyayari lang din.
Bayaran da ka. Kumain ka na lang. True! True.
Ay, gusto mo nga.
Culturally, bingi ang mga Magiliw. Magbuldak na ako mo ba? Deserve ko ba magbuldak? Wa?
Kakagising ko pa pa.
Kakagising mo pa? Eda ka pa packet?
Ay, nanin eh.
Laptop ko.
We?
It's an app. Careful now. It's a laptop.
Wala na open.
Ha? Makanini ako open. Ay, hali ko balo. Haliyaman ka ako yan eh.
Kanina yun?
Ito balo. Ay, pota kasira. Kaya po.
Kanina yun eh.
Ito balo.
Kabila ka chicken eh.
Wow.
Ay, init na lang ulit yun.
We?
Ay, kanina yun eh.
Kako yan. Nanya, bagya-bagya ka.
Ito.
Wow.
Sabi mo yung echo.
Haliyaman ka ako.
So, kanina yun.
I don't know. I don't know, Shakisha.
Hindi niya naman dito po kay kamamay niya.
I don't know, Shakisha.
Oh my God. Kako na yun. Sarap ka sabi naman.
How are you guys?
Christmas gift.
Bye-bye. Magluluto na lang ako.